In San Francisco Bay, the habitat provided by the marshes is super important, and the marshes are also located in areas where they're protecting coastal communities. So they're reducing flooding of highways, of housing areas, but about 90% of Bay Area marshes have been either diked, drained, or filled. I'm Jessie Lacy. I'm a research oceanographer at the Pacific Coastal and Marine Science Center of the USGS. We're studying the processes in the bay that carry sediment into the marsh and then deposit sediment on the marsh. So that includes tides and waves. And it's those processes that allow marshes to keep up with sea level rise and not get drowned. As we've worked in these systems, we've been able to actually measure these processes. We can measure how much are the plants attenuating the waves, how much sediment is being deposited on the marsh, how does that change between when it's wavy and when it's not wavy. And as we understand those processes more, we can identify which marshes might be more or less resilient to sea level rise, and also we can help to plan restoration actions so they'll be more successful. Now we're in this exciting period where communities are investing in restoring marshes, and we actually have more marsh now than 20 years ago, but this is, just beginning to turn the tide. Estuaries are where rivers meet the sea, and you have this mixture of the biological components and the water-driven components and then the sediment-driven components. That's complicated, but figuring out how to take measurements that pull apart those different pieces and then how to put it back together in a story creates, for me, just an endless source of fascination.